I'm Amber Bergen Mayville with Keller Williams Arizona Realty, the BVO Luxury Group. We're down here at 2519 North 29th Street in the 85008 zip code. Let me show you some of the great features of this home.
Built in 2018, you get all the benefits of a brand new home in this classic no HOA community. This home's interior is designed with contemporary dark color scheme. The soaring ceiling in the main level makes a great entertaining space and invites you to the backyard. Upstairs features a spacious loft, great for a personal space or an additional entertaining area. The owner's suite is on the main level, featuring double sinks, soaking tub, and a walk-in closet. Amazing resort-style backyard was added in 2020 with heated pool, waterfall, travertine tile, and tons of privacy. Centrally located, this home is close to everything Phoenix has to offer in downtown or Biltmore areas. For more information, you can call me, Amber Bergen Mayville, at 623-235-4697 or visit bvoluxurygroup.com.